How's everyone doing today? Shankar Puri here. Today, like every day, we're going to talk about Bitcoin and the rest of the markets and see where we could be heading. Please remember, this is not a financial advice and all this information is just for entertainment purposes only. Without further ado, let's dive right into the charts. All right, guys. So this is the ETH versus Bitcoin chart. Hold up, let me just close my window over here. So this is the ETH versus Bitcoin chart, and I left these up from the last time we talked about it, because last time we spoke about it and talked about this chart, I said we could be in a Wyckoff distribution. Now, what I want you guys to look at here is, this is pretty much what I drew last time. I was saying we come down here and retest and could have a bearish retest, moving forward. And the reason why I was saying that is because it looked like we were going to have some bullish momentum over the next couple of days. Now, what I'm anticipating, we could definitely break this and head higher. But what I'm leaning closer towards is that, we may head up here and then head further down. That's just what I'm anticipating. Now, while this is happening, two things could be happening because this is Ethereum versus Bitcoin. So either Bitcoin is going up in value and ETH isn't going up in value, so it would drive this pair down. That's one thing that could happen. Now, if that happens and if this does decline further down, the altcoins may actually take a beating, because most of the altcoins are on top of Ethereum, and so when Ethereum does bad, normally the altcoins will have more of a drawdown as well. So just want to bring this up to you guys that we were looking for a move up to here. I am anticipating a rejection, definitely in the cards. So just want you guys to be cognizant of that. Don't get too excited yet. I do not believe the bottom is in. I mean, even if the bottom was in, I'm not anticipating, higher highs and higher lows all of a sudden. So even here with the altcoin market, the total 3, we've had a rally. And, we got a little ways to go until we are at a resistance zone. So just be cognizant of the fact that we are, we're not out of any type of woods yet. I don't see anything for reversal just as yet. So just be careful of that. We do have the S&P 500 made a nice move up today. But like we said, this is a point where we may get rejected. We have a daily resistance level and a trend line here that, could definitely get rejected next week from that, right? So let's just zoom in a bit. Yeah. And so if you look on the 4-hour, possibility as we head higher, we could have, just change the color of this for you guys, a bearish divergence playing out. Definitely could have, as we head higher next week, definitely could have a bearish divergence, as well as we're hitting an area where, the trend, there's a strong resistance here, could definitely head lower, right? So just be aware of that. And if, that does happen, you can short if you see that opportunity. Don't worry about it. Whether the market goes up or down, no big deal. Just be on the right side of that trend, right? So that's all that matters. All right, so let's look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, similar to Bitcoin, where it's at a resistance right here. So just at a resistance now. It had a nice move up during this week, just like Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins. A lot of individuals thinking we're printing higher lows, which, this is a higher low. We did not make a higher high yet, so just be mindful of that we have not made a higher high yet. So we're not necessarily in any type of uptrend. This is the 4-hour time frame. We're not in any type of uptrend yet. So you need higher lows, yes, but we also would like to see a higher high, right? So we have a higher low, but we do not have a higher high. So I would not consider that we are in an uptrend. We can eventually be in an uptrend, but I don't see right now that we are in an uptrend, and this looks more like a double top than anything, right? So you see here, you have this divergence here. So it looks like a double top to me. All right. So with that being said, guys, this was just a quick video. Just want to give you a little perspective on what we're looking at over, the weekend for next week, what may be happening. Again, trading on the weekend's risky. I don't really recommend it unless you're experienced and you can control yourself, and don't overtrade. So enjoy your week. Stay blessed, stay active, and just progress over the weekend, guys, because we're now at a point in the bear market where you can hone your skills with not many distractions around in the crypto market, and you can definitely be on top in the next crypto bull market. And remember, this is decades and decades to play out, and I say it every video because a lot of people think it's just for one cycle, but this is decades and decades that crypto has to play out. So you can take advantage of that, as long as you build that foundation from now. So you don't want to look back in 10 years and say, man, I didn't take the time to actually learn how to trade, or didn't, whatever you wanted to do in the crypto market. You're just looking for the fast gains. You don't want to be that guy. Take the time, understand, and be authentic. All right. Enjoy your day. Thank you.